Mm. Okay. Before going to kit, just go to the Play Store and here just type Bluetooth terminal. Okay, so many Bluetooth terminal icons will come here. Whatever the black and blue icon is there, just install that one. After installing that one, just no need to open, just to close this one. Okay, after that, if you switch on the kit, okay, if you switch on the kit, immediately it will display the title CSE monitoring controlling using Android app. Directly it will display the status, and now it will display the status. Okay, dustbin status no, and wet bin empty. In the same way, dry bin also empty. Now here, in order to monitor all these things, just open Bluetooth in your mobile. Okay, after that, just click on pair new device. Immediately, whatever the Bluetooth device you are here we are using, that is nothing but HC05. Just immediately it will ask a password. Type 1234. Okay, after that close it. Okay, now just I want to check whatever the status I am doing. Just open this app, and here so many options will come. In that, select HC05 and just connect it. Okay, now here I cleaned everything. First, here when you switch on the kit, okay, if you switch on this one, if you press this one, reset button, restart, that means kit you want to start from beginning. Just click on reset. Okay, okay, when you press reset here, automatically it will send an ID to your mobile phone. CSE monitoring and controlling system at VZIT location, ID number 3355. Now here everything, every status, dust status, nothing, that means no, nothing is there, and west bin status empty, and dry bin status wet, empty. Now here if I am placing any dust, okay, first the dust will come here. So if it will display that dry dust, immediately it will see, check here, if I place here, automatically dry dust will be placed in this one. Now if I am placing any wet dust here, for example, wet dust is nothing but whatever, here I am placing some water. Whenever the waste is wet, automatically that will be flowed into the wet bin. Now here, that means here ID it is showing whenever the bins is anything is full. For example, this is the dry bin, just I am placing a finger, immediately here automatically status will come, alert, dry bin is full, so please clean it immediately. That means automatically the status will come to the organizing committee. In the same way, if I am placing wet bin is full, okay, immediately here it will show in LCD, it will show that wet bin is full. At the same time, here it will show in this also, alert, wet bin is full, so please clean it immediately. In this way we will get the status. And very important thing is, here in order to check all these things, here we are placing a moisture sensor, that means whether dust is wet or dry. And the important thing is, whenever the dust comes to this panel, then immediately this sensor will detect. If it is wet means it will flow into this one, dry means it will flow in this one, and this everything will be monitored with the help of sensor. If the bin is full, immediately that status will be followed to the organizing committee. So to prepare all these things, first we need a power supply. We are designing a power supply. Here the motor needs 12 volts DC. Every device wants only 5 volts DC. So what I am doing means, just to 230 volts to 12 volt step down transformer. After that I am taking a bridge rectifier to convert AC to DC signal. This is the bridge rectifier. After that we are placing a filter capacitor to purify that AC particles. Now I am placing the regulators. Here how many devices are there? One is controller unit is there, this is HC05, and a buzzer unit is there, and here two sensors, here one sensor, here every sensor needs the supply. So depends upon the sensors we are using the regulators. And here this is the controller unit, this is the Atmel company, Atmega controller we are using. Here whatever the things is happening, just we are placing on the LCD. Here every device, for every device we gave the supply, and here see, whenever if water is there, automatically the sensor is detecting moisture. When the object is there, when any dust is detected, automatically if it is wet means automatically it will be flow to wet bin. And next, in order to run this gear motor, we are using a IC, that is nothing but line driver IC, L29 3D IC. This is to run your motor in clockwise and clockwise, anti-clockwise. See, for example, if I want to run a motor in clockwise and anti-clockwise means plus to plus, minus to minus I will give. But in order to rotate in anti-clockwise direction means again we have to interchange the supplies. It's very difficult. So it is possible with an IC, that is nothing but L29 3D driver. And here whenever the bin is full, in order to tell to the near persons that it will give you a buzzer beep sound. Okay, and next this is the IR sensors. Here one pair of sensors is there, one pair of sensor. One is to dry bin and another one is to wet bin. Whenever the bin is full, automatically here buzzer sound will come and information will be forward. Here the thing is, first we gave power supply to each and everyone. See, first here it is checking that this is the main sensor, whether dust came to here or not. When the dust came, it is searching whether it is water content or dry content. When it is dry means it will be placed in this one, wet means it will be placed there. Okay, it is second. Next secondary thing is, whenever the bins is full, immediately we have to clear that one. So that information we are getting in the mobile phone directly. It will forward to our mobile phone. Here everything, first it will transfer. Whenever you press reset button, it will display our title. After that it will send alert. Okay, alert VZIT ID is there, so bin is full, so please VZIT location ID 3355 alert dry bin is full, so please clean it immediately. Like that it will display. If you want to clean it means, just if you press clean means automatically it will be clean. Okay, here whenever I connect Bluetooth, immediately it will show disconnect. Disconnect means that that device is connected. Now the data will come. See, now the data is coming. Okay, that means here it must show disconnect. Disconnect means already it is connected. Now if I want to disconnect means, now it will be disconnected. Missed connection. Clear. Thank you.